How to access your Yahoo Mail? Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Tech It Simple. Today, I'll be teaching you how you can access your Yahoo Mail. Firstly, open any browser you have and type www.yahoo.com. Now, this type of homepage will appear on your screen. From here, you have to tap on the Sign In button in the upper right corner. Enter your username, email, or mobile number that you used during the creation of your Yahoo Mail. If you enter your mobile number, a 6-digit code will be sent to your mobile number. Copy it and paste it into the blank space. Now, click on Verify and tap on your account. And that's it. This is how easily you can access your Yahoo Mail. I hope this video was helpful for you and that you are able to access your Yahoo account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more informative content. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.